super simple scalloped potatoes with spinach. I have 2 packages of chopped frozen spinach, the greatest bargain in the whole grocery store. So we have a full pound total drained. I squeezed the excess liquid out in a kitchen towel. That's sitting here, and we're gonna layer it with about 2 potatoes per person. It comes out between 3.5 and 4 pounds for up to 8 people. These are Yukon Golds. I peeled them up, threw them in a bowl with some water so they wouldn't brown, of course. So now I've drained off the 8 thinly sliced, about 1/8 of an inch, 8 Yukon Gold peeled potatoes. I peeled those off. This is based on a Mark Bittman, who's brilliant, recipe from back in the day. And I just add some other stuff to it, basically so I can avoid making a salad. I add to his scalloped potatoes, I add spinach and a little garlic and a little extra nutmeg. That's all. But you basically just take a skillet, peel up your potatoes, and start circling the thinly sliced potatoes, concentric circles. You guys have had scalloped potatoes, you know what they look like. Just do that. Bring it down into the center. And as you go, you season and dot with butter. Not a biggie. So, dots of butter. I slathered a tiny bit of butter on the bottom of the cast iron skillet when we started. S&P. And then I layer in a little bit of spinach as we go as well. Bit of garlic. Bit of nutmeg. And repeat. Okay, so here's our pan filled. It's a 12-inch cast iron skillet filled with as many layers of the peeled 1/8 inch thick Yukon Gold potatoes as was possible to fit in there, dotted with butter along the way, some salt and pepper. I have a burner on medium-low. I'm going to turn it up just a bit and bring this up to a boil and reduce the half and half in this case, not cream, half and half by about half. And then we're going to transfer it to a hot oven at 425 and we're going to let it cook about 15 minutes here on the stovetop. And then we're going to pop it in the oven with cheese and let it go until it's brown and bubbly and cooked through. Okay, guys, so here's the potatoes after they've cooked down like 20, 25 minutes. You really got to gauge it. It's about how good you are at draining the spinach if you add it. But once the cream reduces by half, look, see where it is? It's like reduced half the way down the pan, okay? Now we add cheese, Gruyere and Parm, or whatever combo you like. You could do cheddar and pecorino, whatever you dig. We're gonna do Gruyere and Parm. And then we're gonna put it into a 425 oven, 15 minutes or so, until they're brown and bubbly. So here's the taters. And when you scoop them out, look at that.